Hi guys, today we're gonna make slime. What do I need to say? We're gonna make slime. Wait, Neddy. Oh, what? Neddy live? Me. You guys wonder why I do this because me. Because I do not want to post. Okay. So
Cause I vote.
no, sure.
Okay.
Because I don't want to post and because my phone is not working anymore.
Wait, I'll
or
close
something
the
like
door.
that, blah, 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 something like that. He's gonna go somewhere. We're not gonna show our face because it's not face reveal yet. So we're gonna make
We're
slime.
never gonna face reveal.
We're gonna make slime today. Where's the cat? What the hell?
What?
Nothing again. Okay, we're gonna make slime. There's so many slime right here.
That's clay, girl. Girl, that's clay.
Oh, sorry, that's clay. I'm very sorry. Clay. Okay, so we're gonna pick our
And
color.
this is her slime.
No, stop. This is my slime that I make.
And my slime is little water.
Okay, so we're
She's
gonna
my
pick
sister.
our. So we're gonna pick our colors, like the slime color.
This is kitten.
Yeah. Campbell pink. This
That's frozen.
pink. Cause I like pink. Okay.
Your pink is
It's not frozen. Okay.
this is frozen.
Yeah. So I'm gonna pick this color, pink, like the dark pink.
Yeah,
He's gonna pick this color. Take a blue, something like that.
it's literally blue.
Go water.
Wait, I will get water.
Okay, the water.
It's
Okay, so let's.
And then we have our activator.
Yeah, we can put it there. Yeah. So let's make our slime.
How much are we gonna use?
You can use as you like. And I'm
I'm
just
gonna-
gonna do a little.
I'm gonna do the half.
I'm gonna do this much. Wait, I think this is
Ah,
a little. So I'm gonna do more. More.
Don't waste it on this.
Yeah, this is my slime.
I'm chopping down the tree.
This is soft to touch.
Okay, wait. Neddy, can you take it out for me for a while?
Okay. I don't know where to go. So
I'm back. Bro, I never do a toaster before. Toaster refi. Well, wait,
This
wait,
is-
wait.
this how much he's gonna do. This how much he's gonna do. This is how much I'm gonna
I know the voices. Okay?
do. Come back. You're gonna do nothing.
Wait. I want.
Okay, come back. Okay, so let's start it. So okay, let me clean this table.
Oh, my one's my dog.
Okay, so I'm gonna put water in.
This is how much? Do you always do?
Okay, I think that's enough water.
You guys should go listen outside.
no,
really good.
listen, Cortis.
Yeah, Cortis. Core.
Go.
Really cool.
I'm a core. My sister don't like when I'm core. I'm a core.
But my sister is also an engine.
I am not an engine.
Yeah, because I'm not a guy engine. I learned this
Okay.
song.
Okay, so you put water.
No.
Put water.
More.
Yeah. Yes, brother.
Oh.
Okay, when you put water and you have to start
Play with it.
like match it. I don't know.
What match?
Like, smash it. Okay, you have to like turn this into like a pink water or something like that.
No, you have to turn it into mochi. Hey, Isha. Isha, hey. Isha, hey.
No, shut up.
Isha, hey. My clay is falling down. It's stuck.
Okay,
Help
so
me. It's stuck.
I think I need more water.
No, it's getting sticky. We don't have all the ingredients.
We have a water.
Glue.
We just have water and elevator. I think that will work.
Okay, I'm just gonna play with my hand now.
No, put it. You need more water.
What is already sticky?
There.
It's turning into blue. Just gonna turn it around.
Oh my god, I almost on my face.
Okay, you're showing your hair.
Ow, my leg.
You just little mouth reveal. How about me?
Oh my god. Yo. My leg hurt. Oh, my leg hurts. My gosh, my hair. Oh my god, it's turning pink water.
My hand is already pink. Blue. You guys cannot see it. Show me your hand.
I only use one of my fingers. I only use my pinky.
I'm using my index.
So like I'm just
pressing. I'm just pressing it. It's not matching. You more water? And then there's a greater one.
You guys cannot see like clearly because of the camera. You need more water. You have to turn it like this.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I add too much. It's already water. Why you give me the small one?
Because it's my box.
Oh, yeah. Yuck. What does it feel like? I am touching like slime. Like Nickelodeon slime.
I'm not having enough water even though I put a lot of water.
Mario, you're gonna turn it into soap. Technical difficulties.
I made slime so many times.
Yeah, she has like 100 million slime bags. She just put it in one container. The one we just showed you at the start. And then she put brown in there.
I think this
It's my wood slime.
I think this slime will not fit in my container. So I have to get new.
Put it in my container. My container is full of... Okay, we never go live before.
We will never.
Yeah, but I want to. Without showing faces. I hope I get like 100 subscribers. I only have 30 or 19 or 14 or 15. Now I think I need more water.
Put what, mother? You have to turn like mine.
It's not turning. I'm the mashing.
No, you have to smash it. Press it. Come here. You know, he don't have butt to sit and he's just sitting right now.
I will tell you. You have something. She cannot post videos anymore.
Yeah.
Her phone is something happened.
Yeah. So I'm not gonna be posting, but I'll be collaborating with my brother.
Girl, you rich. Girl, you have so much subscribers. Is my one turning like yours? No. Need more water.
I think I need water. I don't really know. I'm not a slime asper. I don't know.
Slime Asper is you, Luke.
No.
You la. Hey, Uncle.
Uncle water.
Uncle.
Water, no water.
Uncle. If you guys play Roblox, go play Tenny World.
Listen.
Kali.
Just be quiet.
Okay.
Shush. Annoy the voices. Go listen.
Yeah, look. Why is all the way that side?
you.
Move a little.
Bruh. Okay, my one's already turned into slime.
No, it's not. You just smash it. More water.
I'm smashing it. Oh, my one is so smooth. I hope you guys touch it.
I hope you guys can touch it.
Oh shit,
Can't
now
feel it.
eyes. Come on, Didi. My butts.
Come on.
On your videos?
Shut up.
Why?
Never copyright it.
Not the copyrighted. Imagine we go viral by getting copyrighted. How about it will be the new meme? I don't know what to do right now. That's why we're just making a video offline. We were bored.
Yeah, we're bored. Yeah, I think this is enough, and I'm gonna put activator.
Stop waiting for me, bro.
Activator. I'm gonna shake it a little to get some bubbles. Bubbles.
That's actually my container. I thought I had too much water. Huh? Girl!
There's too much bubbles.
Girl!
I'm gonna pop the bubble. This is satisfying.
Not even satisfying. They cannot even hear it.
Because it's not ASMR, right?
Yeah, and then what's happening outside? That is our container. Just mixing it. Your container is gonna be blue now, Mother.
Okay, I'm gonna put this is my little cap. I cannot find a plastic spoon, so this cap or do it. This bubbles. What? Ooh.
Do I have enough now, Mother? Mother,
I dropped the cap in the
Mother, do I have enough?
activator.
Daddy,
There's only bubbles in here.
Daddy, do I have enough? Daddy, huh?
Yeah, you can put activator. Why is it not like working?
Give me out. Give me out.
Okay.
This is the cup. Okay, Mother, I can see your mouth. I dropped it again.
Okay, I think that's not.
Is this enough?
much.
Okay, Mother, here. My hand is now salty. Mother, I need to throw some more.
This is our homemade activator.
I'm throwing all the artificial out because it's too sticky, too watery. Bubbles! I have enough. I will put the whole cup in here.
Oh my God.
Cleaning my hand.
Wait, let me just get this activator out of here. Okay, now we can guys. You can see that there's so many water here.
And that we cannot see anything. Yeah. Okay, why is my one sticking to myself?
If it's sticking, just put the double picture of Adovita. This is how my mom. This is how my.
This is how my one looks. My one is sticking everywhere. So can I add more Adovita?
Yeah, you can.
I'm using with my left hand. Okay, why is there only bubbles?
Okay, if you guys are wondering how to make the homemade Adovita, you just need
Oh my god.
salt
And powders.
Salt and like
Washing powder.
Russian clothes powder thingy. That thingy. Ah!
Sorry. Just.
That powder thingy. And then you just have to put the same amount of salt and the washing powder. And just need to
One scoop of everything.
And you just need to add water.
And then just mix it on the rectangle.
Yeah, I'm trying to get Adovita. Yeah, I put too much Adovita.
Okay, Mother, let's do like a Q&A.
Okay.
What's your favorite YouTuber?
Serena.
Who is Serena?
Don't know Serena.
Serena. Serena. I said YouTuber. Serena. Serena. I never see you watch her on TV.
I watch it on my phone.
You. Okay, your turn to ask me a Q&A. It's my channel.
Do you like to do videos?
Yeah, I like to do videos. At that, I almost have over 100 videos right now. Okay, Mother. Okay, Neddy. What is your favorite? What's your type?
What do you mean?
Type.
My boy type?
Yeah.
I like the boy that is like generous, kind.
You show your nose. Girlie, you
I
are
already
showing.
told to my friend that is my type, but it's my type, but like I like tall guys. I like the one that is like who's older than me.
What?
Older than me.
Oh my! I thought he was thinking about Mortis.
He's way older.
And then my sister think red hair guys are good.
Like
But-
red hair, he's so.
Yeah, he kind of look good though.
I know. I'm sorry for my leg is just like that. I just like to sit like that.
Oh shit! Nice.
You got that.
Not. Okay, this is how my one is looking right now. I think which comment down which you think which one is good.
Mine, obviously.
No, mine. My leg hurt. Sure, wow. 2 drops.
I think I add too much Adovita.
Look at mine. Look at mine. I think little one is going like a mess. Going around. Oh, we cannot see the background.
Wait, I'm gonna put the table. Move back.
Oh, the camera is gonna fall down, girl. Okay. It was taking so bad.
Okay.
Okay, I'm scared of my hand getting ugly.
Your hands are already ugly.
Oh, look at my hand. Okay, I want to get viral.
You mean you want to get famous?
You post for a friend to get famous. I don't know, but
Hey, let me move the camera a little bit.
oh, girl.
Okay, so how it's turning.
Guys, can you hear that?
Guys, you
quiet,
should.
quiet.
You can hear nothing.
Oh, yeah.
Comment down below, like ask question,
And then we will pick like top 10 comments, and then
we will answer them.
yeah.
Like any question that you like. Comment down below.
Comment down below.
My hand is ugly. So.
My hand. Alright, I will come. This is how it's turning out right now. This is how it's turning out. So I hope everybody is quiet.
My hand.
ASMR. I think you guys can't hear it, but it's like this. I don't have any comments in my videos.
But we don't do like much of the video, we just like much of the
Shorts.
because they're short.
Because short is really easy to make. And like videos, we need to think about thumbnails.
Like, well, are we gonna do that video? Like that. And you can also, guys, comment down below, like, what do you want us to do next video?
Yeah, you guys can let us do like a hamburger, clay hamburger, and then we will do it. Or sometime,
Maybe like drawing and stuff.
yeah.
We both like to draw. Like,
Yeah. Can I show you
sister-
my drawing?
No, my sister, like also like to draw. Yeah, so guys, we have an older sister, so she's like.
She's like really rude.
No, not rude.
Not
she's
rude.
Like, she's like not into us anymore because like she's like a little bit older than us.
Yeah,
So,
that
like,
she want like albums.
She don't do like much to us. They do anything with us, but like she's always on her phone and stuff.
And then doing her homeworks and doing her work. She's not that old.
She's only like 12. 13. She's turning 13 this year.
And then I'm 8 years old. And then you are?
18. I'll be 11 this year.
That one is better. Thank you. Another guy. We're adding water. Why does it sound like girl?
Oh my god.
You guys can play with me in Roblox if you want
Go
to.
friend him, go friend me.
Yeah, you already have your account, but I'm not taking any risk. Yeah. So if you want to play with me, my account is SOIE.
My account is me 2013. 8.
My account is SOIE7
Underscore. It's me underscore 20138.
My one is what SOIE7I underscore no SOIE underscore 787I, and my nickname will be AUNT underscore 787. If you see me, friend me, and then sometimes we can play
we can play with us.
Yeah, and then you can just like play with us like stuff like Brookhaven, Tower of Hell, Danny World. If you have Robux, please give her something. She has nothing.
Oh my phone! The grandma. Oh my god. Oh my god.
My what?
There's other bit all over his phone.
I'll just go grab like a tissue or something. I'll just grab like a cloth, a clothes. This
A piece of clothes.
Okay, Mother, close the camera. Cover it. Help me. Mother, help me. Somebody help. Mother, help.
Oh, my slime are falling out.
Mother, go down. Go there. No, it's not working. Help me. Technical difficulties.
Please stand by.
Okay. I hope that never happen again.
Okay.
I'm still gonna cover it. There you go.
So I have to add it for him, because he don't know how to add it, and I have to do it. Damn no. Oh, I think my one is done. No, stop.
You little showing in your face.
I'll cover it. Okay.
Cover it.
I think my one is done.
My one is little still clay.
So,
Oh.
it's for the.
What did you say?
Nothing.
What did you say?
What did you say? I said nothing.
Water fall down. Why does it look like actually poop? Why does it look like blue takis? Oh, it's falling down my hair. No, my hair is not blue.
I think my one is done, so I'll put it in my container. This is container.
Oh, I think your container is too full.
Oh my gosh, my slime is frozen.
I want like glitters on here, but I don't want
I
it.
have glitter.
But it will stick to your hands.
I think I need to add a little bit of the glitter. What is it?
I'm just gonna scoop everything out.
Oh. My one is full.
Play with it. You want to see my mouth? I tried to hold my pet. I need like a spoon.